मुझे दिख नहीं रहा।
F क्लिक करो, F क्लिक करो।
हाँ देखा। अबे हो
Go
गया
go go go
स्टार्ट।
go.
Okay. So we go for mid.
Yep.
Need to see which our enemy.
Yeah.
My offensive mode is off. I think I does not see my offensive mode.
Offensive ही रहता है यहाँ पे.
ग्रीन what's your problem ग्रीन?
पे
XP.
XP easy?
Yeah. Go 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 go.
I'm with Kung Fu. Okay, I'm with Kung
They have the
Fu.
flags, guys.
मरिमो विद फ्लैग में भी.
Go for flag. Go for flag. Go for flag.
Hey, neck.
Helic. You go for towers.
I'm
I
going
think
for
they will
tower.
deliver.
I'm coming. I didn't come. Just
Holy shit, they ran that flag fast.
Yeah. I think.
Maybe
we
they have
should-
movement speed, yeah.
Come back to mid. Come back to mid. Come back to mid. Mid.
Kill them.
Neck. Ready for. Taking flag.
टेक टावर.
I'm taking
Heli-
the
heli-
bottom
heli-
tower, yeah.
okay. Almost die.
Come mid.
We have the bottom
Nice.
left tower. I'm going for bottom right tower now.
Oh. They are, I think, 2 healer. I think.
They made me wrong. Fuck.
Need backup on flag.
Coming.
Where is flag? Bottom left.
Someone said there is two healer. Two healer. I does not
We need
kill
more
them.
Yeah,
tower.
both bottom. We have both bottom towers.
Don't deliver.
Aha!
Try to kill Daniel. Lepo.
अरे मैं के इसमें आ गया.
Bro. Everyone, just come to mid.
Run, Edwin, run,
Ah,
run,
shit.
Edwin, run.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go to my healer build because I threw that together and I don't know what I'm doing with that
Go
right now.
Basil, no problem.
Digin. Help
Okay,
me,
somebody-
Digin.
Tower.
Lemon heal.
Healer. Change love का LVC.
Thank you, Digin, thank you.
Change target.
Thanks.
Come to mid.
और क्या है?
Looking.
Where you are, guys?
Come to mid. 3 healer.
Display, I'm
what?
display, okay, Digin, I'm display.
Wait, to
Stop that guy, stop that fucker.
Pinky, where are you going?
I'm going with these
You have
guys.
towers?
Digin,
Where are you?
Digin,
Guys,
we are in front.
go on Daniel. Go on Daniel. Everyone Daniel. Focus Daniel.
Oh no.
Focus Daniel, everyone.
I think it would be better kill the healer.
Okay, until one. I don't know who is the Agina. Okay.
Target healer. और the tanker. Choose one.
अबे मेरे ऊपर कोई आएगा? I have 4 enemy.
अब मारो, heal नहीं होगा वो. ना, healer को मारना पड़ेगा.
Okay, I kill one. Call, someone call me.
अबे यार
call
कोई
him,
साथ
guys.
चलो यार, क्या हो रहा है?
Anyway.
अरे फाइट में आ जा, फ्लैग के पास आ जा ना. इनका हीलर कौन है?
Okay, Madima, I'm
दो दो
frogging,
तीन
okay?
तीन है,
I'm
मर ही
frogging.
नहीं रहे
I know,
साले.
I know Kung Fu. I know Kung Fu is a healer. Okay.
This is the Targos. Okay, I'm freezing him.
इसको पकड़. ये वाले एक ही क्या है ये? इसको पकड़ो है. एग्रेसिव इसको पकड़ दूसरे को.
No, ये
वो healer है, वो healer है.
This
वो
guy
healer
is
है.
नहीं है,
healer,
healer
which
नहीं. No, he's not healer. He's not healer. Is
I know Kung
Shadow
Fu is a
healer, okay?
अब ये healer लग रहा है मेरे को.
One go bottom for the tower.
nice.
Like, we can kill them, we just can't kill this fucking Daniel guy. Like, what the hell?
Yeah, I mean we are lacking damage. And
Kill the healer. Try to
player-
take down the healer
No,
first.
no.
Gold Lodex is a healer too, so.
Can you guys come here? We have tower. And if we get the flag,
We need bottom tower.
go,
I'm stopping them from getting
Daniel,
the
go
tower.
Daniel, go
Okay,
Daniel.
I'm going left to bottom, okay.
Vinicius Santos. Guys, come here. Bottom. I mean, sorry, top left. Everyone.
This guy is just running all over the place.
Okay, who is there, the healer? Who is the healer? Just tell me.
Vinicius Santos. And
I know Kung Fu.
no,
No, I know.
Go for again. Now I'm
if
go
you are
for
finding
right
someone,
bottom.
just tell the name.
What's this guy? Pinky.
I mean, this works as long as we can
Okay,
keep him from.
this guy. Okay, I know Kung Fu. Kill him.
Yes, I know you. You know Kung Fu.
What the fuck is this, bro? We are not able to kill this piece of shit.
Okay, keep
We
all
can
the,
kill-
keep
kill
all
the-
the,
this
keep all the,
guy.
at least keep all the tower.
Okay, I'm go for tower. I'll
Use
go for
legacies.
tower.
Use legacies.
Oh no, Hunter, you go fight.
Yo,
I mean-
yo. I'm
Somebody else take the
go for
tower.
because no one claimed tower, so I'm go for tower. So no, I know. I if I there
Daniel,
is
Daniel,
still
he's
no.
low. He's low. He's low. Fucking shit, bro.
No, they have healer. They have two healers.
Yeah, they have
Yes, two
Vinicius and that
I know Kung Fu. Yeah.
Kung Fu guy is using party heal.
Just keep blocking this Daniel as well. Like,
Mhm.
I'm just standing
same,
in his
same,
way
same,
right now.
Same.
He can't even move right now.
This feels shit. Kill him now. He's alone. He's alone. Guys.
Focus.
Okay, I'm in tower. Okay.
All right, someone
let-
be
let-
ready to grab it
let-
if we get him. It's got unbreakable.
I
All right, grab it,
Oh,
grab it.
nice,
the flag.
guys. Good
Get
job.
the flag.
Can
Where's
anyone
Knight?
go for
Where's Knight?
bottom tower? Can anyone go?
Take
Go
the
on,
flag or
go on.
what?
Yes, guy.
Where do you want me to go?
I'm dispel.
I'm going top right.
Keep healing.
Yeah, go top
Yeah,
right,
go
Adrian.
top right.
Adrian, go top.
Go top right. Go top right.
I will give him a moment.
Vinicius?
Wait, go.
I'm with you, Adrian. So
Digin. This is the Targos guy. Digin. This is the only.
No,
They're
no,
probably
I
going
can
mid,
read.
so be ready to go get the flag again.
was fucking ridiculous.
Only.
Alright.
Only.
Y'all want to go mid
around
before I
damage.
return, or you want me to
Okay.
cap it
Yeah,
down?
give us a second to
Yeah,
get
go
mid.
mid.
Yep.
Everybody go mid. Everybody go mid.
Everyone,
Yeah, and we need
come
tower.
at mid.
If someone shows up,
No
I'm
one
gonna
claimed
turn it in.
towers.
Oh,
Yeah.
all right, captured. I put it in.
Bro, keep this piece of shit Daniel away from the flag.
Why guys?
Just come
No
back.
one kept towers. If you see, they have extra tower points.
Yeah.
Come mid. I need heals.
Actually, it's
Got one on me.
Coming, but
Bye,
I'm
guys.
coming
After this.
slowly.
Do we have flag?
Yeah, I got it.
Nice.
Just heal me.
Let's go.
You guys come in bottom tower.
Someone
Yeah,
take
yeah.
top.
Okay, so I'm go for top tower. Okay,
Okay.
just go. Go right one. Go right one.
Killing right. Go.
Nice.
Someone go tower. Daniel went to take the tower.
Okay, okay.
It's not gonna be just going fucking.
Fuck, they took it.
How do you
Now we need to
cancel
win.
a
Too many
turn?
number.
Oh,
You
there
have
we
too many
go.
numbers. So I think you can kill that.
ओए टावर नहीं है अपने पास मैं राइट टावर लेने जा रहा हूँ बॉटम का
हाँ लेपो भाई लेपो भाई
Bro, I
तुम
need
टावर
this, I
लो
need
भाई
this,
तुम
this.
टावर लो भाई कोई
Yeah,
कोई टावर नहीं
come
ले
in.
रहा है लेपो तुम टावर लो
अच्छा नाक राइट जाओ नाक पे
मैं बॉटम राइट ले रहा हूँ अभी नहीं करना डिलीवर नहीं करना
ओके 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 ओके
लेने दो मेरे को
जल्दी नहीं मैं आ रहा हूँ तेरे पास आ रहा हूँ नहीं तेरे पास नहीं आ सकता मैं ऊपर जा रहा हूँ आई विल गिव मोमेंट को
एटलीस्ट 2 टावर है ना अब करना डिलीवर
guys can help the flag man.
Fuck, I died once. Shit.
नीचे वाला भी लो नीचे वाला ये क्या है ये
आजा ऊपर आजा
It's-
you have hex
oh,
Where? Hey, we're going top left.
yeah, top left. Hunter, go on top left tower. Someone kept me
I'm
interrupting.
fighting, guys.
Don't fight alone, bro.
No one kept tower. See? No one kept tower.
I think I told Helip to cap.
They have this 500 point only for they just have
Don't
tower
deliver,
point.
don't deliver. Go to mid. Everyone.
And when I go, most of the time I see 2 and 3 players in same time, so it's
need heal I'm not with flag 4 people killed me
Yeah.
okay yeah we
Bye.
got healer हाँ चलो back
Go on total war.
इधर टोटल वन आइए रहा पकड़ो टोटल वन
Leave.
Jaga de.
Healer will heal him.
We can take down lock.
Who is with flag? Pink.
lepo
I'm with flag, yeah.
lepo. I'm dispel, okay? I'm dispel this Luffy guy.
हाँ है
Okay.
I think
Right.
retreat bro
No, you can
पकड़
do it.
इसको पकड़
Okay. I'm frog, okay? Lepo, I'm frog him. Be ready. Okay.
Yeah, I think you can't do it.
yeah
नाइस मजा आ
Me
गया
also.
Stun, I'm stun. Now, okay, nice.
मरेगा
taken by Daniel
Okay, done. Come, Lepo. Just heal himself.
They're on mid, okay?
Okay.
Coming to
I
you,
think
coming to you.
I'm going with Lepo's side. Lepo.
नीचे आइए इनके फ्लैग पे चलते हैं
how to let it
Who is near to Pinky? If you
I'm taking the
listen,
bottom
yes.
tower. Come, bottom left.
Marimo.
top tower bro
Go.
Guys,
Claim tower.
I'm
Go
taking
claim
the
tower.
bottom left tower. Come.
7 people on me
Come.
6, 7
I
people on
can
me
see.
We
Bottom
have
left tower
Guys,
going.
there's a lot of y'all talking at once.
Barbos, yes, Barbos guy. Only that guy have some damage. Okay.
ओके दूसरे को पकड़ गोल्ड लूटर्स को पकड़
Frog him. Okay. Frog him.
ओके
Dispel.
डिस्पेल कर दिया
Nice.
Yeah, we got
Stun,
bottom tower.
Stun. Okay, nice. Okay. All tower kill him. No problem.
Are they all top left or what?
Okay. No,
tower ले ले कहाँ पे हुई
I'm go for top. Tower.
They're coming mid already,
Right,
getting
yeah.
ready for flag.
Okay.
Don't deliver it. Okay?
Yeah. There's
not delivering.
Daniel
Yeah,
and
not delivering.
someone else is here.
Everyone, come mid.
I'm mid already.
They
There's a
kill.
lot of people here right now at top right.
Agnia I'm not playing Agnia bro
Fuck.
Deliver it then if you guys are dying then deliver.
There's 2 mid
We're
and only me. Hell yeah.
okay-ish.
Come mid, deliver and come mid, guys.
Run
We
back.
got 3 mid now.
नीचे आ, नीचे आ,
Daniel and
नीचे आ।
हमारे
नेक नीचे आ, इसको पकड़।
Oh.
मेरी हेल्थ जा रही है ज्यादा।
I think I told you guys to come mid.
मेरा नहीं है मत
We are fighting.
भाग
Leave the fight. Try to leave the fight.
Lock.
Damn, this fucking healer. Come again.
अबे नेक जरा सा रुक जाता यार।
Nice.
1 HP पे मार
Adrian,
गया।
nice. Can you drop the flag, Adrian?
नहीं not now not now
Sorry, I didn't know if anybody was ready. I just
No, all good. It's better to take.
We're coming.
Daniel was about to take the flag.
We
I think
also
we have a Daniel.
Oh, we don't have tower?
Bro, can someone hex Daniel? Oh.
अरे
Damn, this fucking
we
healer.
get
Why
towers
is this
now.
fucking healer always?
के साथ
Oh,
थोड़ा
yeah.
घूम और घूम दो
मैं जा रहा, ठीक है. Bro,
ना हीलर रुको
Damn.
हीलर
There is one healer there. I do not kill
they
him.
hexed me.
should I go top right? They have all the towers.
We can.
Yeah,
we
we
can
need good
take,
towers
we
right
can
now.
take the bottom.
Someone else go to the.
All right, someone's going ahead. Cool.
टावर ले ले तुझे
हाँ ले रहा हूँ।
इतने लोग एक साथ घूम रहे हो। भाई वो लोग छोटे करके टावर क्लेम करके अपना पॉइंट देखो 1000 कर ही लेंगे।
Nice.
अरे 1000 करने से फर्क नहीं होता जीतना
भाई जीतना नहीं अरे भाई ये हीलर जो ये हर वक्त आ जा रहा है।
Someone try Knack or somebody try to go mid.
Oh shit, bro.
Bro, everyone
I
targeted
tried.
me.
No, we're not organized. We're attacking like.
I'm at mid but
Okay,
there's
turn
one
it in.
opponent.
Come in mid.
Come mid
Time out.
and two people rotate tower we need tower
Helic, you should also go for towers, okay?
टॉप
And
राइट जा रहा हूँ मैं।
one here come mid
टॉप राइट नहीं आना मैं।
Tech tower.
Bottom tower, bro. Come someone top.
okay, I'm going for bottom, okay?
Oh,
They're
fuck.
taking the flag.
How did that not hit him? Damn.
Middle.
All right.
ये भाई
I'm taking
healer,
bottom right and bottom
ये
left.
भाई ये मेरे को पूरा भाई पकड़ के रख रहा है। भाई आओ ने भाई।
मैं आ रहा हूँ। हमारे पास आ रहा
हीलर वेस्ट ही करेगा ना टाइम, हीलर पे मत जाओ ना.
ये तो मेरे को जाने भी नहीं दे रहा। कहाँ जा रहा हूँ भाई? ये मेरे को पीछे से उंगली कर रहा है।
हूँ। Where are you?
हेक्स कर सकते हो तो हेक्स कर दो. Go on mid. I mean, except Helic and Hunter, just everyone come on flag.
Oh fuck, man.
Yeah, up there, left.
Damn it.
I took bot tower top side.
This fucking healer.
Someone go for
Can
bottom.
someone kill
Bro.
him?
I'm going to bottom right tower.
But I am already on bottom right. Go left.
We already have the
Oh
left tower.
fuck.
अरे हेलिक तू नीचे रुक ठीक है नीचे रो पे रुक खाली लेफ्ट साइड करके टावर ले लेना
टॉप लेफ्ट ले ले।
अरे,
bottom रह गया।
Adrian, come back.
वो
Adrian,
आ
come back.
जाते हैं
Don't push.
हीलर के साथ आ जाते हैं। वो करने ही नहीं देता फिर।
We have tower.
Just stay.
Guys,
Stay up in the top right tower. We have it right now, so if we can hold it.
yeah,
Never.
we need to hold.
They already took
Fuck,
it.
I died. They one-shotted me. For real.
I also
Everyone go on top right.
Trying.
Oh shit, they're up there.
They got the tower.
No, Mary Mo, come back.
Bro, I need heals, bro.
You're running
Getting
around.
focused
You
like
ran
crazy.
around the fucking water, and I
Come
couldn't
mid,
get
come mid,
you.
come mid, come mid.
My bad, my
Do
bad.
it, guys. Come mid.
I didn't see that coming.
They are here. Nice.
Wait,
Monkey
I
to Luffy.
can't-
Monkey to Luffy.
Can you
Kill
guys
monkey to
come
Luffy.
on flag if you?
Kumar.
better.
Kung Fu Kumar.
I'm taking
भाग
bottom
गए।
right. Bottom right tower.
Zamana Kung Fu Kumar then.
come
I'm
to flag
Can you guys come to flag?
इसी को मारो, इसको मारना खत्म करो।
tower, I'm coming to
अरे वो
flag.
इसको मारो, कुंफू को मारो, मर ही जाएगा वो। बोल रहा हूँ हंटर।
Now I'm coming to flag. 3 seconds is bottom left tower.
They are too much healer, I think. They have 2, 3 and 4 something
बस
healer.
हीलर को टारगेट करो, मर ही जाएगा।
Okay, Kung Fu. Okay, so Kung Fu.
हाँ कुंफू, हाँ धीरे धीरे मरेगा वो।
Guys,
पूरा
Done.
Gold looters.
Done.
This one.
छोड़ो मत, आया है तो मारो।
एग्निया का कर दिया है एग्निया।
Daniel.
उन्होंने भाग रहा है, एक भाग रहा है, पकड़ो।
we have the tower. No one is here.
अरे साला क्या बिल्ड मारा वो?
क्या उड़ाया है
क्या मारा वो?
Hey, this.
Come mid, come to mid.
Go. Leave Rai.
Okay, I'm coming.
He will just waste our time alone.
Oh shit.
भाई ये बंदा यार ट्रिगर कर रहा है मुझे। अब मैं इधर खड़ा होता हूँ, इसके साथ फड्डा करूंगा मैं।
Judgy.
Nice.
I mean bottom tower. If you listen.
इधर है नीचे।
Come mid on tower.
I have bottom right tower.
हाँ पीछे रेवन पीछे हमारी टीम है पीछे। Come back.
I'm going with Daniel.
There is a one healer I'm fighting with.
I'm hexing Daniel. Okay, I'm hexing Daniel.
Luka.
टावर।
There is a flag.
Yes.
Pinke, can you stick with flag?
Yep, I can go for
Bro, bottom tower.
Frogging Daniel. Okay, frogging Daniel.
right top.
Total
Moving
war,
opposite
total war is
direction of
low.
the flag.
टोटल वार इज लो।
Total war. Nice.
Nice.
Good
Where are
flag,
you
guys.
running? What?
Yep.
He's running. Why?
Nice.
Two
I
mid.
think.
Come mid.
Middle.
Come. I didn't ready to take the flag.
I'm about to die.
I get that.
Luka, bro.
Oh,
It's okay, I got it.
no, you
Nice.
won't, bro. I'm
Where
here.
Oh, you're alive. You stay
That
alive.
was close, dude. That was super close.
Two people on the
Lemon saved me.
bottom right
Pink.
tower. Four
Triple.
people.
You know, Pinke was also there.
Triple healers the
Four
way.
Yeah,
people
I'm
on
pretty
the
sure you're done.
bottom right tower.
I threw safeguard on you just to kind of like help out a little bit, but I think it was Lemon's devotion that got you.
Both the
I used the
awesome.
generous influence.
Oh, that's a good
Most
one.
powerful.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Helic, you see someone?
Yeah, 4 people was at bottom right tower. I'm keep telling you guys, but nobody
Okay.
came.
No,
I'm going back mid.
It's a good 3 healer.
They're not taking this spot right now.
For real.
Not today, bros.
Oh, someone is trying to top left. Top left.
Where's Gurjit? Where are you, Gurjit?
Hey,
Oh, one
here,
line
here. Heal him. Nice.
Dispel, okay? I'm above
Jajit,
dispel.
come here.
Tower. All for
Fuck, we don't have tower. What the fuck? Guys, what are you
I'm
doing?
fighting somebody.
अबे इसको मारना।
अरे टावर लो टावर लो।
एक को तो मार पहले।
I'm going
अरे
for
चारों
bottom
तो
left.
नहीं है।
Bottom left. Come bottom left. I'm going.
पता नहीं बंदे एक ही पागल हो जाते हैं।
They're all split up and
मैंने
distracted.
बताया ना।
मंकी डुलूफी को पकड़।
अरे नहीं अरे बाहर में फाइट करना टावर नहीं है। एक भी टावर नहीं है।
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कब से। कि भाई ये टावर जो है लिए जा रहा हूँ, टावर्स के लिए ही खेल रहे हैं अब।
I'm taking tower.
अरे
Just come
भाई
here.
हम्म रेपो राइट मर गया तू
What happened?
This Daniel is at bottom tower left side.
I'm gonna go take
अबे
top
बहुत
right
लो था
tower
वो
real
दूसरा
quick.
एक और आ
अभी
गया।
मार लेते हैं, माना खत्म कर दो.
अरे कम मिड 4 पीपल ऑन मी
टैंकर आ।
अरे हेक्स छोड़ो मुझे ओके नाइस पिंकी
That was a drain.
Go top towers. We have top towers, like bhai. But we can't go.
Yeah.
Top.
We go bottom left, right?
या
Where are you running?
Are you running?
Bro, 3 of the healers with you. And what about the others?
डैनियल बटन लेफ्ट कम
Coming.
Oh,
Okay,
we
all
need the tower.
target
What the fuck?
Daniel.
I don't know. But sorry.
All target is Daniel.
मारो
We need tower, guys.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Huh? They all died?
Take the tower. Take the tower. Everyone use ulti. Fuck.
Carry
Don't
it.
deliver. Don't deliver. Don't deliver. Don't deliver. Don't deliver.
डोंट
Just
wait
wait. We need just 40 points. Take the towers. Everyone go.
Free kills, guys. Free kills.
Bro, I need heals.
Bro, sorry, but
Oh, okay.
I don't know where you are.
There's no one here.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah,
yeah,
Yeah, I can't.
All good. All.
Arimo, get to, come in.
Come in.
Oh, shit,
Guys,
there's
there's one
here.
person.
Yeah, there we go.
GG. Just don't deliver it. Pinky, wait.
Yeah, I'll
We
just
need-
hold on to it.
Yeah. Let us touch 2-4. Then just deliver.
Let her shed a little bit.
Lapka. Then
So
bottom.
they plan to block me so I don't
Riller.
lag.
Vintus.
They're inside.
Deliver it. Pinky.
Oh, now?
We want
Yeah, GG.
GG. That was awesome.
GG's.
20.